This is a video of my Thomas Wooden Railway collection. Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Duck, Donald, Douglas, Oliver, Bill, Ben, Emily, Diesel, Daisy, Mavis, Wilbert, D199, Derek, Diesel 10, Splatter, Dodge, Lady, Big City Engine, Salty, Harvey, Fergus, Arthur, Murdoch, Spencer, Molly, Neville, Dennis, Rosie, Whiff, Billy, Stanley, Flora, Hero, Bash, Dash, Ferdinand, Bell, Den, Dearly Departed Dart, Stafford, Philip, Skiff, Hugo, Ashima. Here are my narrow gauge engines: Skarloey, Rheneas, Peter Sam, Rusty, Duncan, Fearless Freddy, Mighty Mac, and Victor. Here's my one small engine, Mike. Here are my road vehicles: Bertie, George, Caroline, Jack, Alfie, Byron, Butch, Kevin, Sir Topham Hatt's car, Madge, and the Sodor fruit picker car. Here are my coaches: Annie and Clarabelle, Annie and Clarabelle, Annie and Clarabelle, older Annie and Clarabelle, Henrietta, the express coach, old slow coach, and Flora's tram coach. Here are my brake vans: 5 Sodor Line cabooses, Sodor Line musical caboose, Happy Halloween Sodor Line caboose. Here are my trucks: Giggling Troublesome Truck, Giggling Troublesome Trucks, Troublesome Truck with Tarpaulin, Grey-Faced Troublesome Truck, Henry's Log Car, Hector, Puppet Show Car, Trade Cargo Cars, Stinky Cheese Launcher Car, older aquarium cars, Box Van, Birthday Van, Sodor Power Company trucks, Weather Tracker, Milk Tanker, Sodor Museum car, Recycling car, and Hippo car. And I'm missing a few items like the barrel car. Here are my cranes: Breakdown Crane and Rocky. Here are my non-rail vehicles: Cranky, Harold, and Bulstrode. Here are my spare or extra engines: Winter Wonderland Thomas, Paint Splatter Thomas, Birthday Thomas, Surprise Thomas with a missing jet engine, Sodor Day Thomas, 5-pack Thomas, Lights and Sounds Thomas, Thomas, Gold Thomas, Canadian 60-year special anniversary Thomas, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Lights and Sounds Percy, Chocolate Crunch Percy, Toby, Bill, Ben, and Old Style Bill. Diesel, Mavis, Salty, Lights and Sound Salty, Harvey, Molly, Flora, Lost and Found Hero, Dash, Duncan, Mighty Mac, and here are my wood engines, Wood Diesel 10 and Wood Rosie. Here are my spare road vehicles, Bertie and Madge. Here are my battery-powered engines, battery-powered Thomas, battery-powered James, battery-powered Percy, battery-powered Salty missing its lid, battery-powered Lady, and battery-powered Rosie. Here are my spare other engines, 2 of James's tenders, and early engineer's Henry with an extra tender. Well, that is a video of my Thomas Wooden Railway collection. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.